Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to explore a very useful tool in Windows called services.msc. This tool helps you manage the services running on your computer, and today, we'll show you how to use it to improve your computer's performance. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is services.msc? It's a tool built into Windows that lets you manage and control the background services that help run your system. These services are important for things like internet connections, updates, and even security. To open services.msc, all you need to do is click on the Start menu and type services.msc in the search bar. Hit Enter, and the Services window will appear. Or use the shortcut key, Windows plus R, and at the Run tab type services.msc. It's that simple. Now here you can see a list of all the services running on your computer. Some of them are essential for the system to work properly, while others help specific applications run. Today, we'll focus on 4 services that should be set to automatic in order to make sure your computer's network functions are working properly. Here's the 4 services that we are going to set up. First, Function Discovery Provider Host. Second, Function Discovery Resource Publication. Third, SSDP Discovery. Fourth, UPnP Device Host. These services help with things like finding devices on your network, sharing resources, and discovering devices for home network connections. Once the Services window is open, scroll down or press the F key on your keyboard to find Function Discovery Provider Host. When you find the service, right-click on it and select Properties from the menu. This will open the Properties window where we can change the settings. In the Properties window, look for the Startup Type drop-down menu. Click on it and select Automatic. This ensures that the service starts automatically whenever your computer turns on. Next, check the service status. If it's not running, click the Start button to activate it. This makes sure the service is running right now. Once you've made the changes, click Apply and then OK to save. Now you'll see that Function Discovery Provider Host is set to automatic in the services list. Repeat the same process for other services that we choose. And that's a quick overview of how to use services.msc to manage the services on your computer. It's a powerful tool that helps you control how your system runs and can even help you solve some performance issues. Remember, always be careful when stopping or changing services, and only disable services that you know you don't need. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer: proceed at your own risk. The creator is not responsible for any issues that may occur. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more tutorials.